Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Cruze on level ground and engage the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels. You will need 10 mm, 13 mm, and 18 mm sockets, a torque wrench, and a jack rated 2000 kg. Wear gloves and eye protection and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical damage and accidental cranking. Relieve boost by removing the intake pipe and catch up to 100 ml of oil in a pan. Drain the coolant into a container and set up a clean workspace. Label every hose and connector. Raise the car securely on stands and support the engine if needed. Support the turbo with a jack or transmission jack rated 100 kg before unbolting the downpipe. Remove the intake tube, intercooler connections, and the oil feed and return lines. Place a pan under the oil return to catch residual oil. Turbo mounting bolts are 40 Nm, and the oil feed banjo bolt is 25 Nm. Label and photograph all vacuum and coolant lines. Disconnect coolant and drain 1.5 liters into a container. Remove heat shields and extract the turbo assembly carefully. Clean mating surfaces and install new gaskets on the turbine housing and oil return. Install new clamps and hardware. Install new gaskets and torque the turbo bracket bolts to 40 Nm, then torque the exhaust clamp to 30 Nm. Reconnect the oil feed and return, coolant lines, and all vacuum hoses using the photos you took to ensure correct routing. Prime the turbo oil feed by cranking the engine without fuel for 10 seconds to circulate oil. Start engine, let idle for 3 minutes, check for leaks, and verify boost reaches 0. 8 bar at 3000 RPM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.